How to make $200 per month from Google Maps. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to explain a method to generate from $200 to $2,000 per month. And you won't need any skill, you will only need to find small business owners that need help with bad reviews and ranking in the search. And for that, we are going to use Google Maps. Then you will go to Fiverr.com to hire a freelancer to deliver the service that you will you will offer to the business owners. So let's get started guys, and let's show you a step-by-step tutorial on how you can apply this method. So first of all, open your search and open Google Maps in your search, then type the United States in the search of Google Maps, and then zoom in on the United States. This is the market we're going to work on. It's the best market we can apply this method to. And here, make sure to choose the city you're going to target before you start. So here, for example, I'm going to work in Florida. So here, let's look for Florida. We have Kansas, Arizona, Utah, Dallas, Houston, Indiana, Missouri. It seems like this. Here we have Florida in here. So let's zoom in on Florida. And here let's go to Miami, or something less obvious than Miami. Let's go for Gainesville and zoom in on this town or this city and go to the search, type the kind of small business that you want to target. For example, let's go for hair salons, and let's see all of the small businesses that the result would get us. So here, the first rule of searching for the small businesses that we can reach out to, or the ones that has some potential in working with us, is to look for the ones that has less than 100 reviews in their profile, and the ones that doesn't have a sponsored typed in the top of their profile. Like this one, for example, it's eligible for this method. So let's check if they've got any bad reviews that they would need to remove. So here it's a beauty salon, and this is their Facebook page. That's very great to have their Facebook page. We can outreach them in there, or you can just call them directly from their phone number, or you can check if they're using a WhatsApp in this phone number. And here let's scroll down to look for the bad reviews that we're going to use in order to convince them to purchase our service. So this is the first one. Did a head of highlights with Chelsea, worst decision of my life, gave me the most ugly stripped highlights, had me looking like a tiger. Some stripes were yellow, some were white. When I asked her to fix it, she refused to fit me in the schedule and rebook me and refused to buy me a product she recommended to fix the mess she left off my hair after I paid her my hard-earned money. If you want to be gaslit and want a hairstylist who takes no feedback and who will block you if you don't like your hair, then go to Chelsea. Very disappointed with her work and her response. And this is the response from the owner. As you can see, I think they're very disappointed and they would like to remove this review ASAP. Hi Isabel, you have already written a review about your experience last November. The owner had you come back in for the product in question. Chelsea also no longer works at this salon. So let's see the other reviews. So you can use that review in order to convince the business owners to purchase our service. We can use it as something they would like to remove from their profile. And just by scrolling down, we can also find some other bad review like that. So let's scroll down to see if we can find another bad review, because it's always better to have more than one bad review if you want to convince the business owner to purchase your service, which is removing bad reviews from their profile. This is another one. I went for a haircut and color with Lauren yesterday for the first time. My color was great, but when I got home and styled my hair myself, the left side and back were very uneven. Called back and they said Lauren was unavailable for the next 2 weeks. To correct the problem, tried to refer me to another salon to fix what Lauren has done. Would never go back to salon 7016 again. 716. Very unprofessional to treat clients this way. So this is another bad review that the owner would like to remove from their profile. And to remove these bad reviews, as I said before, you won't need any skill. You'll just go to Fiverr.com. It's where we're going to hire freelancers that will do the job for us or instead of us. So for example, we will offer our service to this business owner and we will ask for $200 in order to remove these two bad reviews, and also we're going to help them gain more good reviews. And then we will just pay the freelancer $25. A freelancer like this one, for example, he will do Google Maps business optimization, ranking, and other services for $25 only. So we will get paid $200, and then we will be left with $170 without doing or without learning any skill. So, and then when you land your first client, then you will just need to multiply or do the same process again with the other ones. But as I said, keep in mind to always reach out to the ones with less than 100 reviews, like this one. And also, this business owner, they don't have a website, so we can also offer that as a service. So here, as you can see, they only have their Facebook page, and also we can check the Facebook page if they've got someone managing their Facebook page or not. If not, we can also offer the service to them, like to manage their Facebook page, and they can pay us a monthly fee or a monthly subscription to do that for them, to create posts like this one, professional posts, of course, not just some random posts. And also we can use Fiverr to hire freelancers to do that instead of us. So I think, guys, you get the idea. Just make sure to always target the ones with less than 100 reviews. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share